Hello YouTube, I'm Eli the Fatigued. We're back for Cataclysm, Dark Days Ahead. I am currently wielding a 200-liter gallon drum. 200-liter gallon drum? That was words that were wrong. A 200-liter drum while riding on my bicycle. Because that is how life works. That's exactly how it works, and you know it. The group is still deciding whether we're playing D&D tonight. It'd be nice if we did. It'd be nice if I didn't ride into a swamp. Alright. We are way far away. It'll all be worth it. So far, only, I think up to episode 3 has been released at the time of this episode. So if any of you have made any suggestions or comments or thoughts or concerns, I don't know what to say other than I'll try to address them in replying to your comments, but it won't be in the videos for a while, if ever. Hello, Moose. Nearly there now. Sorry, this is a little bit louder than I meant it to be. But we're nearly there. Yes. Let's not. Okay. Victory! Oops. Wait, did this? No, it doesn't have a fault. It doesn't have a security system. It doesn't have a battery. No! I forgot all about battery. Alright. We can run into this town real quick. Dodge around some zombies and grab a battery from a vehicle. It'll be easy. It'll be fine. Ow! You jerk! Hey, SWAT armor. We have found the SWAT armor that I have been searching for. Just gotta mend it and, yeah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, my stamina. There we go. Now I won't have to worry as much about stamina. Yeah. Cities are a nightmare. Oh my gosh. Cities are a nightmare, nightmare, nightmare. Do 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 do. Yeah. Alright. Got a battery? Yes, you do. But you're probably going to drain as soon as I remove you. So let's just not worry about that. Oh, another foldable bicycle with no wheels. Another crappy car battery. Wait, what is this? A taco truck. That, my friend, is a mini freezer and a kitchen unit. But more importantly, a mini freezer. Alright, there's a good amount of you. There's a good amount of you. Starting to get pretty weary now. Give me that mini freezer. Aha, the mini freezer is mine. And that battery's completely drained. Alright, are you drivable? You are indeed. Alright. I'm grabbing you. Doesn't have enough wheels. I didn't notice that part. Alright, we're out of here. My stamina is tanking pretty hard. What's the fault? Mobilizer. You are good to drive. It was good to drive anyway. And no battery. Oh, no controls. Even more fun. Alright. I want this mini freezer. Mine. Okay, I'm turning off the music. Seems to be causing some sorts of issues. Uh-oh, dead tired. Oh no. Alright, we gotta run. We gotta leave the... Yeah, we gotta leave the stuff behind. Alright. Hopefully we won't die now. That was getting a little worrisome. Oh, something's making noise. Is it one of these stupid random critters? Yes, it is. Still lightly weary and just straight out tired, so... Survive for a month, woo! I don't want to be woken up unless something is just being busted. But this game, oh, the pineapple rotted. That's sad. So did the cucumber. Alright, well, we got some clean water, got some soda, lemonade, orange soda. Hi, Stego. Let's wake up in 4 hours. I think we're rested enough that it should be alright now. Rubber goose. Guava juice. Large fries. Chocolate shake. I miss that show. I think it's still in the air. But, you know, I don't care about paying for cable. I already have to subscribe to everything else out there. Battery draining. There we go. That's a decent battery. Okay. Where did that bike go? Should be right there, actually. Somewhere around here is my mini freezer. Wait a second. No, I have my tactical backpack. My inventory's just full. Fair enough. Um... Alright. Let's go grab that mountain bike as well. I think I can, grab its wheels and stuff off of it. I might need its pedals. Basically, it's just going to be spare parts for the foldable bike. Alright. Alright, I probably need to install the battery, right? Oopsie. Where'd he go? Is he fighting the Stegosaurus? Oh no, the young zombie. How much did he damage the truck? Not much, honestly. Alright, here we go after, 2, 3, 4 episodes or so. Finally have our vehicle. Well, you know what I mean. We have parts for our vehicle to make it bigger and better and greater. I'm not gonna lie. Oop. Destroy the scrap metal. Four-legged, oh, juvenile zombie. Or zombie, dino. Oh well. Not gonna lie, I do miss the vehicle sounds, and I have looked into it quite a bit, and it's a mixture of an audio artifact in the vehicle sounds mixed with some minor lag that I get with CDDA when I'm streaming it a long time, like over an hour. When I play it for over an hour, I don't seem to get this issue. I mean, I haven't tried it too much with that. I should probably try that, but anyway, when I'm streaming it for, an hour or so, the minor lag I get with streaming, recording it, playing the game, and then the sounds artifact in the vehicle folder. And I could be completely wrong about the sound artifact, and it could be completely just my computer. But I don't get that sound artifact when the vehicle sounds aren't on. So I don't know. I mean, the lag stays, so I know it's not the folder, the vehicle folder causing the lag. I never thought it was. But that sound artifact, the chirping, was just driving me nuts. Alright, we're almost ready to get all of our vehicles back through the zombie blockade. The first vehicle I'm going to take is going to be the big old cargo truck. It's going to ram through all the zombies, hopefully clear my way a little bit. Then I'll run back through with the foldable bike, because it's super simple to get through something like that with the bike. Ah. Anyway, as I was saying, basically, I know it's not entirely the sound pack. I know it's partially to do with... It's partially to do with my computer and the way it runs CDA. It doesn't seem to run it well for some reason. I don't know if it's got to do with my video card or what. I didn't have this much issue on my older laptop. So it could just be a Windows issue, because I know I've been having issues with Windows whenever I run this game as well. So yeah. We'll see what happens. I still enjoy this game. Sound packs are cool, but they're not required for my enjoyment. It is nice if you can get a sound pack that works well. Oh, no, he saw me. Come on. Spellcraft 1, excuse me? What? Okay, whatever. Plastic chunks. Plastic chunks. Which we can finally make plastic chunks, by the way. I did find the plastic book, like, last episode or so. Alright. Not last episode, last stream. It was like 3 or 4 episodes ago. Speaking of episodes, YouTube, thank you for joining me. I've been Eli the Fatigued. Don't forget to comment, like, and or subscribe if you have enjoyed any dimension of this episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.